Hey guys, get ready with me. I'm going to my husband's closing of their meeting, end of the year party. So get ready with me, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If it's the first time you're seeing my face, my name is Fatima. So I start off with filling in my brows with a gel eyeliner, with a brown gel eyeliner. I'm using a spoolie, guys, so that it will be not too much. And then I'm cleaning with a cream pro concealer, a creamy beige. Up, I'm going to use a soft beige up because it's a bit darker than the one I'm using to clean down. It's almost like my foundation. So after that, I'll lay foundation. I'll use a like sort of light brown. It's light brown. I'm using on top of I don't know what this part is called in English, guys, forgive me. You can see where I'm using it, guys. English sometimes it's not my best friend, guys. So I'm laying that base, guys. So I'll use to line the corner of my eyes. I'm using dark brown to line at the corner of my eyes. So I'm trying to cut the crease here. I'm still using the creamy beige. It's a real struggle, guys. I have a hooded eyelid, so you can see even when you cut the crease it won't show. But anywho, let's move on. So I fill in with the glitters there. I use glitters just to give it a pop because the end of the year parties in the night. We'll go around 4, but I started doing my makeup because I wanted to record this video for you guys. So I'm lining my eyelash line, lining it with the gel eyeliner with the angled brush. I don't know whether I'm doing a good job, but now I'm going to highlight my face. So using a concealer, creamy beige as well. It's a bit lighter than the one I normally use. This is what I'm doing. I'm trying to get it right, guys. I wanted to have that angle. So this is what I'm doing. After this, you just blend everything in. Nose, blend everything in, guys. You can see I'm trying to blend everything in, guys. Let me blend it in, guys. I really wanted to do these videos, so I just said I'm doing it anyway, even if with no light. So guys, I charged my light because at this time there was low shedding. The time we are going like around 4, but while I was doing my makeup, the light just went boom. It went. So but I continue to get, forgive me for light if it's not showing properly. It looks so much in the video, but it's really not much. You see when I blend everything. This is my what do you call this? This is the what I'm using to bake under my eyes. It got a little bit of yellow tone. Now I'm using a powder, like a sort of like a dark foundation to contour my face, guys. The gel one, they are very tricky if you're not professional because they will just go everywhere. So I prefer this one. Don't worry, trust the process. At the end it will look, I can see the harsh lines and what. At the end it will look bomb. Don't worry, trust me. I'm still going to use my pressing powder, so I contour my nose. I've got gorgeous nose. Anywho, I've got gorgeous nose. It doesn't need contouring. Yes, it doesn't need much of contouring, but anyway, it's just making it to look gorgeous. Again, we put a blush on top of the contour. Put a blush. I'm using a light pink, and it's not creamy blush. It's a powder blush. I never find a good one, the creamy one. It looks nice. I see it on people when they are putting it. You can see the look is coming together now. It's coming like boom. Yes, girl. It's coming together, and I overdo blush. Please forgive me. I'm a blush girl. I've already lined my lips. You can see. So we highlight. We need to shine like a bright star. So I'm putting that on my so I didn't want to put it on my forehead because it doesn't reflect nice on the camera. So I put it, go in again. I want to just tap in on my forehead. Please now. Ooh, wow, girl, we are gorgeous. What am I even looking for here? Okay, then now we are doing the bridge of my nose. The gorgeous nose. We are doing the bridge of my nose. Next, a setting powder. This is translucent setting powder from Decor. So this is what I'm using. Pressing there, cleaning those harsh lines. Next, mascara, guys. I don't put eyelashes, but guys, I put eyelashes. I struggle to put eyelashes. I don't know what is it with my eyes with the eyelashes, guys. You must help me. I need a serious. I need a doctor. Like, guys, when I put eyelashes, my eyes they scratch. I don't know what is going on. Like, seriously. So this is the final look, the setting spray. I think the look looks gorgeous, and I'm wearing a red, like sort of like red. It's not bright red. I was a little bit disappointed with that dress from Shein. I'm wearing a red dress. It looked bright in the website, but it's not really that bright red. This is my gorgeous bag, guys. This is my gorgeous bag, my clutch bag. These are accessories. They're from Shein. The clutch bag is from Gold Golf, very good brand. Shein as well. Shein, oh guys, like fake it till you make it, baby. This is from Republican and it's very nice quality shoe, guys. You know I love cheap stuff, but that is a very quality shoe. My husband bought it for me. This is a dress from Shein I'm wearing, guys. I think I should put a picture. You see how it looks in the website, so you see proper how it looks. So I'll put the picture as well. This is me. The look, the light was not good, but anywho, you can see how I'm looking gorgeous, how I'm glamorous. I asked my son to take the video of me because I couldn't. You can see my nails. He didn't even tell me that my back is facing the other side. This boy, oh man, gorgeous. Okay, girl, work it, girl. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous. Bye.